Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee. Oh shit, yeah, here we go, y'all. From Toons Cartoons, sent us a cartoon. 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 Sent us a cartoon. From Toons Cartoons, sent us a cartoon. A cartoon.
Hello, number one. We are visiting the Billy planet. It's full of Billies. They're very randy. It is an old cloning facility. There needs to be a Billy in every universe. It makes me really randy. The Billies on this planet have gone back to their native ways. They have lost civilization. We are going to teach them how to sing. We must teach them ABCs so they can learn how to sing for us. Number one, I'm gonna slap you on the fanny. Hello, number one. What do we have here? This is a cross species of the Billy. He is a crossbreed of the meme Gum Knuckles and Billy. He looks very randy. We must talk to him and see if he knows the way to the other Billies. Hello there, Billy Knuckles. Do you know the way? Perhaps to the rest of the Billies. Do you know the way? No, I don't know the way. That's why I'm asking you. Number one, set your faces on killing. Kill this silent abomination. He's farting in our fucking faces on my signal. Engage fire at once in his fanny. Captain's log. We have flew through the forest and battled a forest creature just to deliver a cheeseburger for a peace officer. Well, hello there, Billy. I bring you a giant cheeseburger. We come in peace. Nice to meet you.
Ya started.
Number one, we'll supply them with cardboard so they can make cardboard cutouts and show us a live show. By morning, we'll see who's the best one. The loser will get tasered. What do you say, number one? Captain, I'm not sure if you should do that. We only have 2 gorillas on deck, sir. The Billies might fight each other. Like our polywog, number one. Now let's get fluffy and go to bed and...
Did you guys have a good time? Well, did you?
Billy. Oh, yes, Billy.
Did you guys have a good time? Well, did you? Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Big fat fatty. Get me in the backseat of your caddy. Yes, Daddy, big fat fatty, get me in the backseat of your caddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy.
Captain, wake up, Captain. Number one, it is morning time. It is time to judge the Billies on to see how the cardboard cutouts worked out. Oh, hello, Billies. You've done a wonderful job. Set you in the middle. I'm afraid we're gonna have to phase you. What do you say, number one? I think I shot him in the fanny. Now that is all over, let's fix them breakfast and clothe them and get them ready to show us a nice talent show. Hurry up, number one. Get them off the ship. The Billies are eating everything. Please, Billy, this is my slime toast. Yes, I see that. Hi, how are you? Hurry up, number one. Let's eat while we can. No, Billy, this is my shirt. Number one, I think they're ready to show us a talent show. This is gonna be very randy.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Every time I look around, the sky is falling down. Every time I look around, the sky is falling down. Every time I look around, the sky is falling down. Oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka. Oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka. Oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka. Oomba chaka, oomba chaka, oomba chaka. I'm hooked on a Billy, it's so fucking silly. Why does he do this shit? I'm hooked on a Billy, it's so fucking silly. Why does he do this shit? I'm hooked on a Billy, it's so fucking silly. Why does he do this shit? I'm hooked on a Billy, it's so fucking silly. Why does he do this shit? I'm hooked on a Billy, it's so fucking silly.
Puertorriqueña, yo te la traigo de Cupey, de Vega Baja y de Santurce, de todas partes de Puerto Rico. Esta bomba yo la dedico a toda mi gente de Puerto Rico, a la familia Fontanet, allá en Cupey Alto y Lo Mejía en Vega Baja. ¡Que goce! Aquí lo canta mi gente. Bomba, bomba, para siempre. Baila, baila y goza. Mi bomba puertorriqueña. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba. Bomba, bomba, para siempre.
Number one, I'm gonna pat you in the fanny. That is... Bravo, Billy! Good show, tally-ho! Now we will load them up. Make sure the ugly one stays here. She is horrible looking. There's universes waiting for their Billies. Let's go get wasted, number one. What do you say, number one?
You know the way. The wet? Do you know the wet? Know the wet?
Computer, captions log. No one would ever truly believe me. I found the real Billy. He makes me randy. I'm gonna give him love hugs. Plenty of love hugs.
Billy,
Ooh.
going crazy. I'm going crazy. Billy to infinity, infinity beyond. Billy to infinity. Every time he on, we going Billy. Billy to infinity, infinity beyond. Billy to infinity. Every time he on, we going